Ingredients: 2 pounds thick cut asparagus spears, 2 pounds Brussels sprouts halved, cooking spray for greasing, 1 teaspoon sea salt plus more to taste, 1 tablespoon freshly ground black pepper plus more to taste, 3 pounds halibut, 3 tablespoons olive oil divided, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 lemon juiced divided, 1 3-cup minced fresh parsley plus more to garnish, 1 3-cup minced fresh cilantro plus more to garnish, 1 4-cup Kalamata olives minced, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger minced, 3 cloves garlic minced, 4 tablespoons capers drained. Lemon wedges for serving. Preparation: 1. Preheat the oven to 410 F2. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Add the asparagus and Brussels sprouts. Spray with oil and season with salt and pepper. Arrange the vegetables around the perimeter of the sheet pan. 3. Place the white fish in the middle of the sheet pan. Pat the fish dry with a paper towel and lightly spray with oil. Rub the fish with olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, paprika and half of the lemon juice. Set aside 4. In a mixing bowl, add the parsley, cilantro, olives, ginger, garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil and the remaining lemon juice. Alternatively, place all the ingredients in a food processor and process until a spreadable paste forms. Spread the mixture completely over the fish. 5. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fish has cooked through and the flesh is flaky and white, and the vegetables are crisp but tender. 6. Meanwhile, place a small non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add oil and capers to the pan and saute until seared and crispy, about 7 minutes. 7. Top the cooked fish with the crispy capers, lemon wedges and fresh herbs.